Integrate x times inverse tangent of x dx. We have to use integration by parts. So the acronym we use is LIATE. This is for u, so L stands for log. We don't have any logs. I is for inverse trig functions, which for us is the inverse tangent. And then A is the algebraic, which is the x. So clearly the inverse tangent comes before the algebraic. So we'll let u equal the inverse tangent of x. So dv is x dx. The derivative of inverse tangent is 1 over 1 plus x squared dx. The antiderivative of x is x squared over 2. And so now we multiply u and v to get x squared over 2 times inverse tangent x minus integral v du. So we factor out the 1/2 and have x squared over 1 plus x squared dx. Now in order to solve the integral here, you can use long division, but I'm going to not do that. I'm going to rewrite it differently. So I can add 1 and subtract 1 in the numerator here because that doesn't change the fraction. And then I'm going to split it up. Basically, I'm going to split it up over here into two fractions. The first one being x squared plus 1 over 1 plus x squared, and the second one being the negative 1 over 1 plus x squared. Now, these are identical, so they're going to cancel and become 1. Now we integrate 1 dx, that's just x, and the antiderivative of negative 1 over 1 plus x squared is inverse tangent of x. Now the next step, we're just going to distribute the negative 1/2 to both of these, and then we see that all three terms here have a 1/2. So I'm just going to factor out a 1/2, and then get that we have 1/2 times the quantity x squared plus 1, because the inverse tangent of x has x squared in front, or rather 1/2 in front for both of these terms. So I'll factor out x squared plus 1, and then minus x plus c.